Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to combine Word documents into one. Open your Word document. When you do this, place the cursor where the documents to be joined will go. Now you will go to the Insert menu there, click on Object and select the option Text from File. Select the Word file to be joined and click on Insert. You can see the content of the document that has been joined. This includes text and images. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.